Alright, let's see how to remove the background using AI in Filmora 13. So let's get into it. I have this 9-second video and will remove the background. First, ensure you have this section to the right. If you don't, click View and then hover over the first option. Then click the first option, Default. When the clip is selected, click this AI Tools button and you will see all the AI tools. Check this Smart Cutout option and then click this icon. You'll be presented with this pop-up. We have a few options on this interface. First is the brush to select the subject, and this is the hand tool that we'll use in a few seconds. Right now we are in the simple mode. Click advanced mode to get all the options. Move this playhead to a position where the subject is properly visible. Here looks better. Then all you have to do is select the brush tool and highlight the subject edges like this. The AI will do the rest. If areas are left out, highlight them too. If something unwanted has been added, use this eraser tool and highlight the areas to remove them. Let's zoom in and see the edges properly. Refine them if needed. This edge feather lets you adjust the subject edges. The more you increase it, the more it reduces from the edges. Once you are happy with this frame, click this Track Forward button. This will check for the subject every single frame and cut the background. When it completes, move the playhead back to the starting position. Use the keyboard forward and backward keys to move every frame. When you see the first highlighted frame, click the Track Backward button. This will go backwards to complete the video. You can play the video to check it, and if a frame is not properly set up, adjust the highlighted area. Once happy, click the Save button. The background has been removed. You must remember that it's AI, so the more complex the video is, the harder it will be for it. Also, I wasn't using the green screen, so edges are slightly rough. You can import an image and place it on the next track to see it as the background. Let's try a different image to give this video a different look. It looks alright. So this is how to remove the background in Filmora 13. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you need any help. I'll catch you later. Take care.